Hi guys, it's another unboxing video for me, and today I'm going to open all these boxes. It's really dark now, it's autumn, and yeah, these are all for Christmas and for winter time as well. First of all, the box from SPODE. There's a little item inside. It is a salt and pepper set from the Christmas tree collection. Right, so this is the salt and then the pepper. So that's my salt and pepper set for my Christmas tree collection. Another one from SPODE, it's this. It's a SPODE cake stand from the Blue Italian collection. I'm really excited with this. Again, addition here. These are all my blue collection. Maybe I can put it here now. There we are. It's inside. I only have 2 items from SPODE. Next is the H&M. First of all is a coat from H&M. So this is the coat. It's a light brown tie belt coat. Really nice for winter and also for autumn. Next one, it's a puffer gilet. This is only 15 pounds and this is in a small size. So that's that. I really like it. I can wear this when I'm wearing a dress or anything tight inside. Yeah, so nice. I like it. Another one. Again, it's a puffer gilet. But this is black color. Yeah. I'm going to be wearing this with dress. So that's my puffer gilets, and so I have this light color and the dark color. Next one is a long puffer jacket. Now I had one like this last year and I really like it, so I bought another one, but this is extra small. Yes, it's on sale, so I did buy this. This was actually only $39.99 because again, on sale. So that's a puffer jacket, a really nice one jacket. Another box from H&M. I love H&M, you know, because I always get a discount as well. And it's another coat. It's a red coat, extra small, and it's only 53 pounds. So let's try this. Oh, wow. This is actually extra small, but it looks big on me. Wow, I like this. It's actually bright red. Love it. Anyway, I really like it. I really like this. Yeah, that's my red coat. So another one from H&M is an oversized blazer. And this is small size. Hopefully it's not too big, otherwise I'm going to return this and have the smaller size. It's an oversized olive green coat. This is size small, so hopefully, actually, I like it. Not too bad. This is actually small, but yeah, it's oversized. So I love the color. More from H&M, and actually this is a vest. I already have white, pink, and black with the same style, but I really like it, so I bought this light brown and a dark brown. And more in here, actually I got another black, and this is my second one. It's a black one, again for the next summer. And I also bought a white again. The next one, what is this? This is a sweater vest. This is a sweater vest, and this is size small. I want to wear this with a long sleeve inside, and this is gonna be in the outside. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually nice. Next one, again from H&M, a paper napkin. This is my Christmas tree collection from SPODE. See, there is a Christmas tree, and actually this much, so I decided to buy it. Next from H&M is the embroidered linen napkins. So let's see, I'll show you how it looks. So this is the embroidery right here on the side. This is a Christmas tree, which I like. Christmas wreath, a Christmas bubbles, and this is a Christmas gift. I actually have 8 pieces, so another 4. So all in all, I have 8. This is for Christmas. Okay. Next one is from Maxx Spencer, and these are actually for summer, but I did buy this because it's on sale. The sandals from Maxx Spencer. The original price is $55, but because it's on sale, I only bought it for £17. So that's £17 from $55. So that's nice, isn't it? It's leather, so it's really well made and it's really durable. Next one is again a dress from Maxx Spencer. Again, this is for summer and it's on sale, so I bought this. As you can see, not for autumn, not for winter, but I can use this for next year. Now the original price is £45, and I did bought this for only £14, so that's really good. From Maxx, I have this clear glasses for Halloween. Look at that! I like it. I actually have 2, and this is how much. This is only £5. Another one here, so £10 for the 2. I really like it for Halloween, so that's good. So this is from Amazon. And what is this? Oh, from Amazon! Oh my god, by staple gun. I've been wanting one for a long time, so finally I have one. And these are for my project. And the cool thing is, this is pink in color. Da-da-da! It's pink! So this is from Amazon, and this is an adventure memory box. It's like a memory box, but the cool thing is I can put the tickets like that there. Memories from the holidays, so that's where I'm gonna put it inside. And I can hang this anywhere in the house. Again, for my travels. From Shein.com, I have a tripod or a monopod. This is longer, so that's that. And I can stand it like this. And I can also use this as a selfie stick, so that's good. So this is for travel, another monopod. My Santa Carousel. Excited! I've been collecting my Maxx Christmas Village for 18 years now, but this so far is the best. Oh my god! Lance! Look at my carousel! Wow, my goodness! OMG, it's so pretty! Look at this! Oh my god! Hi! Look at that. Guys, this is the best! I bought this for £80. Usually this is £130. So it's on sale. And that's it for my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!